Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the industrial stoichiometry and material and energy balance consumptions. Unit number 6 energy balance. Okay, in a previous lecture में આપણે CP અને CV નો રિલેશન જોઈ ગયા હતા અને એમ્પિરિકલ ઇક્વેશન્સ જે એક્ઝામ આપણે યુઝ કરીશું. નાઉ ટુડે ડિસ્કસ ધ મીન મોલલ હીટ કેપેસિટીઝ ઓફ ગેસીસનો ટોપિક જોઈશું આપણે. જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરીશું જેની ઇક્વેશન આપણે આવી રહ્યા છે. ओके तो स्टार्ट करिए. मीन मोलल हीट कैपेसिटीज ऑफ गैसेस. टू कैलकुलेट द हीट चेंज ड्यूरिंग हीटिंग और कूलिंग पार्ट अ गैस बिटवीन टू टेम्परेचर with the help of equation 6/36 is a lengthy procedure. Okay, શું કીધું છે? To the calculate heat exchange and heat change during heating or cooling phases a gas between two temperature with the help of equation 6.36 is a lengthy procedure. To avoid this, it is convenient to use mean molar heat capacities data. Assume any arbitrary base temperature T0 in a Kelvin and it temperature and T0 are the two temperature between the which the heat change is desired. Then CPM यानी कि मीन मोलल हीट कैपेसिटीज याद रखो. मीन मोलल हीट कैपेसिटी ऑफ गैसेस આપણો ટોપિક જ છે. ઓકે, શું કીધું છે? ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ધ હીટ એક્સચેન્જ ડ્યુરિંગ હીટિંગ ઓર કુલિંગ બેઝિસ અ ગેસ બિટવીન ટુ ટેમ્પરેચર વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ઇક્વેશન્સ. ઇટ ઇઝ અ લેન્થલી પ્રોસિજર. To avoid this, it is convenient to use mean molar heat capacity data. Assume any arbitrary base temperature T0 in a Kelvin, and if T and T0 are the two temperatures between which a heat change is desired, then mean molar heat capacities यानी कि CPM is given as. तो इक्वेशन શું છે યાદ રાખજો. This one CPM is equal to in integrated form T0 to 2 CP0 dt by T minus T0. તો CPનું ઇક્વેશન છે આપણી પાસે A પ્લસ BT પ્લસ CT સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ DT ક્યુબ, જે આપણે એમ્પેરિકલ ઇક્વેશન્સ જોઈ ગયા હતા મેન એના બેઝિસ પર છે. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. નોટ ડાઉન ધીસ યોર નોટબુક. Which is the equation? CPM is equal to in integration form T0 to T Cp dt by T minus T0. Cp is equal to A plus Bt plus Ct square plus Dt cube. This basis. Okay. Now next one. Equations ના બેઝિસ પરથી જોઈશું આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ફોર્મ. CPM यानी कि मीन molar heat capacities is equal to A T minus T0 plus B by 2 in bracket T square minus T0 square in bracket is over plus C by 3 T cube minus T0 cube plus D by 4 T raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4 by T minus T0. હવે ઓર જોઈએ એનો ઓર શું થાય? तो मीन मोलल हीट कैपेसिटी CPM इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B by 2 T प्लस T0 प्लस C by 3 T स्क्वायर प्लस T0 प्लस T0 स्क्वायर प्लस D by 4 T plus T0 T square plus T0 square. In most cases T0 is selected at a 298 Kelvin 25 degrees Celsius. The heat change between two temperature T1 and T2 with the help of CPM data is calculated as follows. This equation. Okay, equations ખાસ નોટ કરી લેજો નોટબુકમાં. These two equations બંને રીતે લખાશે equations. બરાબર. જે મીન મોલલ હીટનું ઇક્વેશન છે જે CP is equal to A plus BT square plus CT cube plus DT is to 4 એ ક્વેશ્ચન્સને આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ફોર્મમાં જોઈએ તો T⁻T⁴ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ફોર્મ છે, એમાં ફેરવ્યું છે. ઓકે, ઇન મોસ્ટ cases T0 is selected at 298 Kelvin यानी कि 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. The heat change between two temperatures T1 and T2 with the help of CPM data is calculated as follows. Let T2 less than T1. Let CPM1 and CPM2 with the mean molar heat capacities of gas between T2 and T0 and T1 and T0. Let Q1 be the heat change between T1 and T0 and Q2 with the heat change between T2 and T0. Then net heat change for n kilomole of gas is given as this formation. So Q is equal to Q2 minus Q1 and Q is equal to n up to CPM2 T2 minus T0 minus CPM T1 minus T0. જે આપણે મીન મોલાર હીટ કેપેસિટીસનું ઇક્વેશન્સ છે એમાં આપણે આ ઇક્વેશન યુઝ કરીશું. In Ni is a kilomole, T in a Kelvin, CPM in a kilojoule per kilomole into Kelvin, then Q will be this kilojoule. Okay, now the heat capacities of gaseous mixture. જે ગેસના મિક્સચર હોય તેના પરથી આપણે જોઈશું થિયરિટિકલ પાર્ટ એનો. In case of heating or cooling part માટે જોઈએ for a heat capacities of gaseous mixture માં, in case of heating and cooling gas mixture of known compositions, the heat change calculation may be simplified by calculating the heat capacities for the mixture in the following manners. A Cp mixture is equal to, in summation part, I is equal to 1 to n xi Cpi up to is the x1 is the mass or mole fractions ith component in the gas mixture, and Cpi and Cp mixture are the heat capacities of ith component and the mixture respectively. If Cpi and Cp mixture are expressed in the molar unit, then xi be the mole fractions of ith component. The heat change for n moles of the gas mixture is given by Q, which equations Q is equal to n up to, in the integration part, T1 to T2 Cp mixture T0 dt. Okay, if Cpi and Cp mixture equations છે, the heat change for n moles of the gas mixture is given by the Q is equal to n up to T1 to T2 Cp mixture T dt માટે. Thus find out this equation. If mean molar heat capacities data of the component of a gas mixture provided the mean molar heat capacities given by this equation. Equations खास जोजो. CPM mixture is equal to summation part n up to I is equal to 1 xi CPM यानी कि mean molar heat capacities. Okay, where xi is the mole fractions of ith component is the gas mixture, and CPMI and the CPMX mixture basis with the mean molar heat capacities of ith component and the gas mixture respectively. The heat change between the T2 and T1 for n kilomole of the gas mixture is calculated as follows. Q is equal to delta H is equal to n up to CPM mixed to T2 minus T0 and CPM mixture T1 minus T0. Q is equal to delta H is equal to n CPM mixture 2 part T2 minus T0 and CPM mixture T1 minus T0, where બંનેના પાર્ટ છે CPM mixture અને CPM mixture 1 are the mean molar heat capacities of the gas mixture between T2 અને T0 અને T1 અને T0 respectively પાર્ટ છે. In case liquid, the sensible heat capacity heat change may be given as follows. This rule: dq is equal to mcp delta t and dt, where c is the heat capacities of liquid in kilojoule per kilogram into Kelvin, where m is the mass of liquid in the kg of or mass flow rate of liquid in kg per hour. The heat change between the temperature T1 and T2 is given by Q is equal to delta H is equal to m T2 to T1 C dt. So where T is the Kelvin માં આવશે, molar heat capacities of data is given in appendix T's basis. The calculation of enthalpy no equations છે આયરુઆ. C mixture is equal to summation xi ci. Xi is equal to the weight fraction of ith component in a liquid mixture and Ci is equal to heat capacities of ith component and C mixture heat capacities of the liquid mixture. Q is equal to m T2 to T1 to T2 mixed delta T dt dt. Okay. Now the simple discussion, heat of reaction delta H. Discussion part છે તે જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. First point is the mean molar heat capacities of gases and heat of reactions. બે વસ્તુ જોયું છે આપણે ખાસ. heat capacities of gaseous mixture નું અને heat of reactions જોવાના છે delta H. ડિસ્કશન જ પાર્ટ છે, ખાલી રીડલ મેઇન સ્ટેપ તમારે યાદ રાખવાના છે, બીજું કશું નથી. Okay, the enthalpy change accompanying chemical reactions. First read is this paragraph. Whenever a chemical reaction take place, heat may either be evolved or absorbed basis, and this evolved or absorbed heat of reaction plays a major vital role in the economics of a chemical processes. When the enthalpy change associated with the reaction is positive, then heat must be added to keep the reaction's temperature from the dropping, and if enthalpy change is negative, then heat must be removed from the reaction zone system by to keep the reactions. The following point. Now heat of reactions, reactant are feed stoichiometric છે અને ટેમ્પરેચર અને પ્રેશરના ઇમર્જના બેઝિસ પર જોવાનું, ટેમ્પરેચર અને પ્રેશર સાથે. કેમિકલ રિએક્શન જે કેરીડ આઉટ છે એ સિન્સ નોટ પોસિબલ હોઈ શકે કેમ કે એનો ટેમ્પરેચરના બેઝિસ પર હોય. લિક્વિડનો પ્યોર લિક્વિડ પાર્ટ 0.1 મેગાપિક્સલ પાસ્કલ્સ અને સોલિડ માટે પ્યોર સોલિડ ઇન ધ મોસ્ટ સ્ટેબલ ફ્રોમ 0.1 મેગાપાસ્કલ્સ. Okay, the enthalpy change associated the reaction આપ્યું છે heat of reactions for temperature માટે. it is one શામાં છે ટેમ્પરેચર પર છે. આ એક મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ હીટ ઓફ રિએક્શન્સ. ડેફિનેશન પૂછાય છે વારંવાર જીટીયુમાં, એ જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. The standard heat of reactions, the gas હોય તો પ્યોર કમ્પોનન્ટ એટ 298 કેલ્વિન એટલે કે 25 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ અને 0.1 મેગાપાસ્કલ લિક્વિડ પ્યોર લિક્વિડ એટ 298 કેલ્વિન and 0.1 megapascal, and solid pure crystalline solid at 298 Kelvin and 0.1 megapascals. Okay, the standard heat of reactions is the enthalpy change associated with a chemical reaction when both the reactants and products are in their standard state for a pure at a temperature up to 98.15 Kelvin, 25 degree Celsius, at a pressure of 0.1 megapascals, is denoted by the symbols delta HR, यानी कि heat of reaction, standard heat of reactions. This is a heat of reactions. Okay, the values of this reaction equations चाहिए एक खास जना पे ले जो this one. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gives us methanol મળે છે. Okay, so thank you so much.